Okay, sometimes it's just easier to kind of talk you through what I'm looking at. So let's look at SPX on the weekly chart. We've been talking about this rising channel now for a long time. This is since October. But what I like about the weekly channel or the weekly time frame is you can see support really clearly. So if you look left, look where we stopped. We have support right through here. And then if you look a little bit lower, the next level of support is really, really clear on the weekly. So we had this trend line up in the middle and I was just kind of watching it. We did break through that one today, but we still have plenty of room to come on down to that lower trend line if we still continue on down. We haven't tested the lower trend line again since August. So it's been a minute. We've held this one for a really long time now. We broke down below today. So let's see if we end up breaking through this level of support and heading on down to the next level of support. And you know what I mean? So you can see it really clearly on the weekly. So 56.41, somewhere about there is going to be that trend line if we were to continue on down the rest of this week. And that's quite a ways. That's a couple hundred points still to go if we do end up down that direction. Doesn't mean we're going to go all the way down there at all. We could bounce and head back up. This is a good, strong level of support, but we just kind of have to see what's next and be patient. That's why we trade level to level. So through here, we could come on down through here and test this, or we could head down to that next level of support, which sits about that 57.14, 57.20 area. So that may be the next level that we head on down to before we see a bounce. But let's just see what happens over the next couple of days. Will FOMC give us continuation? It used to give us continuation. This year's been a little bit different.